Hello, everyone. My name is John Maglica, eldest son of the designer, manufacturer of the Maglite flashlight, Anthonyja Maglica. As he could not be here this evening, let me welcome all of you to the 6th annual G2 conference, and to all of you around the world watching this. And further, on behalf of the entire Maglica family, let me extend the best wishes to all of you hardworking businessmen and women around the world. As some of you may know, the story of Anthonyja Maglica is one of hard work. He comes back to the United States with a young daughter, a wife, and $125. And from there, it is hard work. He will tell you that his secret to success is based on very simple principles. And those principles are that of desire, determination, dedication, discipline. Those are the secrets that Tony Maglica would tell you to his success, though he does not consider himself successful. He has much more he wants to do. At 90, he continues to dream. One of those dreams is going back to Croatia. And he has already implemented some of those plans. My sister spends most of the time there on the island of Zlaring, helping him with that dream. I wish my father was here today to talk with you. And a little secret, he probably will be at the 7th annual G2. Until then, in these difficult economic times, with COVID no less making it all the more difficult, we must remain innovative, ready for change, disciplined. Until then, God bless all of you in your endeavors and in your hard work. And God bless Croatia. Thank you very much.